Alright, this is the passenger elevator at a warehouse/office building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I think this replaced a freight elevator. There's 2 freights left. Unfortunately, one of them is broken. I think the basement's locked. I don't know what this is, but I wonder if that worked. It did. I don't know why that's taped off. Wonder where the machine is. It's not up here. Everywhere it says notice, no freight, passengers only. There's a big sign outside on the first floor saying use the damn freight elevator. Freight elevators, excuse me. This is a nice running Gen 2. It's nice and quick as opposed to the freights, which are slow. That's cool. This is elevator 1, 5,000 pound capacity. It's a hefty chonker. There's like 4 of these signs in here. All right, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed.